Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about the Soundsync Pro Bluetooth wireless transmitter receiver. This is an awesome product. It can do a lot of different things, but the main reason why I got this and why I think you want it is, when you're flying and you're watching a movie or something on the plane and you've got your headphones on and you have to use this cord that goes from the headphones to the plane system, and if you get up and you forget to unplug it, it rips it out or it rips the headphones off your head. Plus, you can't use like your AirPods or your Bluetooth earbuds because you have no way to connect to those with a wire. This solves that problem. With this little gadget, it is a Bluetooth transmitter. You plug it in to that auxiliary port on your plane, and it just sits there and dangles there, and it transmits the audio through Bluetooth. You connect your AirPods, your Bluetooth earbuds, your Bose headphones, whatever you have that supports Bluetooth to this through Bluetooth. Now you're completely wireless. Now if you get up and go to the restroom, you can just get up and walk away. You don't have to worry about the cord being there. You don't have to use a cord to connect. You can do this wirelessly. And that is just an overall better experience. And this little product handles all of that great. I'm going to talk about all the features and why I love it and some extra things that it does as well. Let's start by what comes in the box. In the box you get this device itself. Now this is cool. It has this little cap that unscrews. So it screws on there so that when it's on, it stays on, and it protects the auxiliary port here from getting messed up. And then it also has a little lanyard on there, a little rope that you can use. You could tie this on your carry-on bag if you wanted to just carry it on that way, so you always have it without any worries at all with you. And then you could just unscrew it when you're going to use it. Again, when you plug it in, it just kind of dangles there. It's short, flexible cord, so if you hit it, it's okay. It's not going to mess it up or anything, which is great. It has a Type-C port here on the bottom that makes it rechargeable. You recharge this, the battery's going to last you 8 to 10 hours, which is excellent. It's got a nice little control panel here, an LCD screen, which I absolutely love. A lot of the similar devices like this for this purpose don't have an LCD screen, so when you're pairing and connecting to devices, sometimes it's confusing or hard to know what it's connected to. This has an LCD screen. You will see the name of the device or devices it's connected to, which is great. And yes, I said device or devices because this also can pair to two devices at once. So if you're flying with someone and you guys want to watch the same movie on the plane system together, you can plug this in. You can connect two pair of earbuds or headphones, whatever, to this, and you can both be getting that sound sent at the same time, which is great. What else comes in the box? You do get the little charging cable. You also get an auxiliary to RCA adapter, which would allow you to use this for something like television if you want to transmit the TV audio to your headphones. You're sitting on the sofa and you want to hear that wirelessly. So that's a cool feature as well. They also include that adapter. Some of the great things about this is Bluetooth 5.3, so it's really updated Bluetooth protocol to make sure you're getting the highest quality Bluetooth connection. Also, it does have AptX Low Latency built into it. What does that mean? That just means if you're using earbuds or headphones that also have AptX Low Latency built into it, then it'll connect through that, and that means there will be no delay. It helps keep things in sync. So when you're watching a movie, TV show, their lips are moving, the sound and the lips are in sync. You're not getting a delay with the sound. And this is equipped with AptX Low Latency, which is excellent. It's really a great product. It's so easy to navigate. And then there is a volume control on here. Now that's great because not only can you control the volume from the device that's producing the sound, you also can control the volume in here to get a little extra boost or lower it if you need to, which is great. Then you have a switch over here. This is one thing that's really awesome about this product. You can switch it from transmitting mode to receiving mode. So let's say you usually use this when you fly to transmit audio to your headphones, but in between flights, you might want to use this for something else. And one of the things you can use it for is if you have a speaker or anything that has an auxiliary input, you can plug this into there, turn it into receiving mode, and then you can send sound to this from your phone or tablet, music, whatever, to play through that speaker. So this works both ways. It is a transmitter and a receiver, and it's really easy. You just flip that switch to the right one, TX for transmit, RX for receive, and it goes into that mode automatically, and it works great. So this is a really awesome product. I love that it has the LCD screen so you can see exactly what you're connected to. The fact that you can connect 2 devices at once. The fact that it has Bluetooth 5.3 as well as AptX Low Latency to make sure you're getting high quality sound and everything stays in sync. It's just a really simple, nice design. It's lightweight. It's easy to take with you. If you ever fly, then you got to get this because it's a really excellent product, and it's definitely going to make that whole experience a lot better. It is again, the Soundsync Pro Bluetooth wireless transmitter receiver. Excellent product, definitely one that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it. Until next time, be safe and be happy.